Got some packages today. I'm waiting on that guy. XERO Pure Max Plus. But first, this was the free item. Steve-O's Essential Starter Kit. This stuff was free with my purchase. You get that free gift. Idaho T-bar, 14-inch. Sampler rubber. 3-pack. It's a 14-inch Idaho sleeve. Idaho handle. Pack of 14-inch rubber, Idaho channel, brass. The brand nice fish scale. Detailing rags. I believe this is nice Boab. Nice size Idaho pouch. A nice belt. $3.5 gallon Idaho bucket. Oh boy. Oh. Been waiting. This thing is a beast. The XERO Pure Max Plus. 2 40-inch ROs. Sediment filter, chloramine filter, pressure gauge, nice 21-inch DI tank. So with this machine, get a bag of goodies here. I'll get more in depth with the machine here in a second. Your wastewater hose. I'll show you where that goes. Your filter wrenches. Go in here for your chloramine and sediment filters. This bigger one. Right there on the DI. You want to use the wrenches to take these off, and then you want to hand tighten them when you put them back on. TDS meter, you're going to want that. Measure your parts per million. See how dirty your water is and how clean it's coming out of the machine. RO Guardian. This is a winterizer. You put it in your ROs. Magic lube. These are for all your O-rings. You're gonna have O-rings in here on each RO. Sediment filter. Each time you replace these, just put some lube on them. Chloramine filter, same thing. Again, hand tight. Don't use the filter wrenches for it. And same thing here. All up in there, your O-rings. Maintenance. That is it for those. Your wastewater coming out of the ROs. I'll lay this down. This is designed to be laid down as well. Dry weight, 79 pounds, I believe. So you're gonna have dirty water coming out of these. Wastewater comes out of there. Don't run this machine over 100 PSI. That's max right here. 40 to 60 PSI, you'll get a gallon per minute. So that's very good. This machine, $3,399 on windowcleaner.com/Idaho window cleaner. If you'd like to buy through my affiliate link, I appreciate that. You can also run 2 poles off this machine. You will want to saturate your tanks overnight, your ROs right here. Get them all filled up with water, get things working in there. When you first use this, dirty water is going to be coming out. So you really want to make sure ROs are saturated overnight. Unplug this guy here. You got a valve right here. I believe that's to cut water off from coming through your DI, so you could save your resin that's in there. If you just want to run it through the tanks and the filters, if you don't need your resin. This guy just pinches upward and out. Connect your hose. This is your inlet right here. Inlet right there. Connect your outlet. That's what your water fed hose is gonna connect to, that runs to your water fed pole. Connect your hose to your inlet. Turn the water on. Let these fill up, your ROs. All the water is gonna be coming out of here. When you measure it, it'll probably measure at first 150 ppm, parts per million. So, and then wait 30 seconds, it'll come down. Wait a couple minutes, should be under 20. So typically, anything over 10 ppm, you want to change out things, your resin, filters. So, but something like this thing's a beast. It'll last quite a while. So once you get the water reading to 0, go ahead and shut your water off. Connect this boy back in. Just push. You'll feel it. You'll know. Connect your inlet hose that's going from the house to the inlet. That goes to the sediment filter, and then runs through the chloramine filter. Runs through these hoses right here. Go from the chloramine filter to the ROs. These ROs go down, transfer up into here, into the DI tank, where all your resin is, to get that final purity to the outlet here, to the water fed pole. Easy cleaning from the ground, up to 4 stories. You could probably get 5 out of this. So I'll put the link to this in the description down below, my affiliate link. And again, that's windowcleaner.com/Idaho window cleaner. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you want to help support the channel, hit that like and subscribe. The XERO Pure Max Plus, $3,399.